Hi everyone, this is Curious Piyush, visual facilitator and founder of Visual Thinking School Netherlands. Today I'll be teaching you how to use Canva to make quick carousels. So I've already opened my Canva and I am now creating a new design. To create a new design, click on Add New, create New Design, Create New, and then I'll be choosing Instagram post. It's square 1080 cross 1080. Okay, so this is created and and I'm specially creating carousels from the sketchnotes which you are making. So let me see. So here they are squares and you can increase the number of slides. So first of all, I am now uploading one of the carousels. So I have already uploaded it. You can click on upload and go to the file. So let's say this is one of the carousels. So someone has made it on one page, and how you can make a carousel out of it. So do one thing here, copy this and keep increasing the pages here. I'm increasing the pages. So copy this and then copy again on various pages. I'm trying to do it in the most simple manner and quickest way. So let's choose, so this will be the heading, we'll come to it later, but let's choose the second one. So the second one will be this page, and what you can do is now you can hold it from the edges and then reduce the size and see what's happening here. So I'm just reducing the size and then you can enlarge it. So here, so this is the first point. Yeah, and now because I'm already on an editing software, so why not add some pointers. So one, and when I'm writing one, I'm also changing the text to lazy font, so it looks like a handwriting format. So this is number one, and now I think you have understood it. So again I'm reducing it, and what is the second point? Maybe this is the second point. Okay, so this is called cropping. I'm cropping it. This is the second pointer. I'm again increasing this and copying one, and here going to 2, and this becomes 2. And similarly the third point, so this is third point, adding it here. This is friendship. So this topic is about what we can learn from Lord Krishna on Janmashtami day. So what nice things he did. And then I'm going on point 4. Good that this Sketchnote has a lot of white spaces, so we can already use it. So this is here. I already see that there is a white thing here, so what I can do is I can go on the elements, go on square, and now I'll just paste the white part here so that it hides everything. So going here, changing color to white, that's it. So spirituality, this is third, this is fourth, so I'll rate it as fourth. And maybe I need one more, so I'm copying it here. And here, yeah. So maybe I don't want to write the signature, because signature I'll be writing at the end, or maybe on the first part. So this is fourth, this is 5. These are the 5 points, and let's now design the first one. So what I'm doing is, I think I will make this as my first one. So this is first, I'll write first here, and then what I can do is I can directly paste, because on Instagram when you paste, it's always better that people can see the first pointer right in the first carousel. So life lessons from Lord Krishna, and maybe I would like to make it a little more defined, so I'm going on background remover. So this will remove the background, and after this maybe I can do something more interesting. Maybe I can add some shadows here. So magic, no, not magic eraser, but shadow effect. So how about this? So I have to give it a look which looks like that this is the heading. So this is shadow, this is the outline. The outline is a little too much, I guess. Let me change the color. Sorry. So how about this? Okay, I think changing, let me change the color. So life lessons from Krishna. The only thing which I am not liking is that this is a little too small and this will not suit like a heading. So what I'm doing is Sri Krishna, I'm writing it in the way which the person has made, and I'm closing all the shadows, so I don't want any. I'm increasing it, Lord Krishna, and then I'll use a plain text here to write life lessons from Sri Krishna. I'm okay, it's already written, and here I will change the text to lazy dog. Yeah, I think this is catching a lot of attention. So life lessons from Lord Krishna, and what I can also do is, I'm just thinking I have to make it look like this is the heading. So let me fix it here, just making it center align, and then I can use the draw function to maybe use this to make a boundary out of it. So this looks like a heading, and it's a hand drawn boundary as well. So hand drawn boundaries always look nice. And now this is my carousel, and let me give due credit to who has made it. So I think I can pick up this, and at the end what to do. Okay, I'm reducing this, and I am capturing, let me paste it here once. I just want to capture the signature. So this is the signature of Kapil, who is our sketchnoter in the Sketchnote community, and everywhere in the bottom I'm writing this. And I think he has also mentioned his Instagram. So yeah, it makes all the sense for people to know his Instagram. So I see how I'm just using the crop function, and now this is becoming his signature as well. Maybe I can enlarge it and then reduce more. That's it. Yeah, and now I can group them together and paste it all over. Maybe on the front side might not be a good idea, or maybe it could be a good idea. I'm reducing it a little so that there is more white space. There is also this. Using Canva has a lot of benefit, folks. I'll tell you why. Because you can now download it in various formats. So here is one, I'm closing it from here, deleting from here, and now I don't need this page. Okay, I think it will be a good idea that I can put it as end screen, so people can see everything together on the last one, which is, I think it's a good idea. So here it is, and this becomes my carousel. So what I can do now, it's pretty quickly done. I can download it using PNG. So PNG, all 7 pages will be downloaded. I will need that. This will download a zip file, which is okay. I can change the heading for my own understanding to, let's say, Kapil Lord Krishna, and I will also want to download it as, maybe if you are posting it as reel, then download it as MP4, so all 7 pages. And now you can see when it's MP3, maybe you can also fix the timings. And where are the timings? Where are the timings? Let's see. I can download this. Uh, I can download this as MP4, and you can also see there is an option GIF. So MP4 is here. I'm downloading it. It takes a little bit of time. Okay, so the MP4 is downloaded, and now I'm also downloading it as GIF. So let's see if I can also download it as GIF and download. These are of course things in paid Canva. I have paid Canva. So check how much you are allowed to do in the free version. I am going on GIF again and then downloading it. So this is GIF. Oh, earlier also GIF was downloaded. So let's see how it behaves now and what are the kind of things which we have got. So I'm going on my downloads, and you can see here that this is a zip file which has been downloaded. I am extracting the zip files. Extracting the zip files, and here you will see that these are the pictures. These are all the sketch. Oh, this also got downloaded, which I don't want. So 1 2 3 4. Now what I'll do, I'll WhatsApp this to myself and download it on my phone, and then of course go on Instagram and post it as carousel. I hope you know how to do that on Instagram. Let me also check how the GIFs and all were downloaded. Is this a GIF file? Okay, so let's see how the GIF looks like. This opens the GIF, and now what happened? Okay, yeah. So see here, the GIFs are changing now automatically. I think we needed to change the timings because, or maybe this is good enough that people can read. See here, this is changing. So this is the GIF format which you can use on your website or wherever you wish to. And there is an MP file, MP3 as well, which almost will look like the GIF. But of course the versions are different. Is this? This is MP4. So see here, MP4 opens it like a movie. This you can easily post it as as a reel. So this goes as a reel, and when you're posting it, of course you can trim it and reduce the timings as well if you wish to. For now I'll be posting it as carousel, but I think it's good that I give people the option to move on their own so that they know how much time they have to watch. So this was how you can use Canva to convert your sketchnotes to carousels, and carousels are a very good format. Oh, one more quick thing, you can also share this and download it as PDF, folks. So download it as PDF standard, and now PDFs can be uploaded on LinkedIn, by the way. So on LinkedIn you can upload it as a document, and then on LinkedIn it will come as carousel, but LinkedIn allows it only in the PDF format, right? Maybe quickly I can show you as well. So if I go here on my LinkedIn, for example, LinkedIn, so on LinkedIn you will see when you go on start a post, so of course the obvious option is that you will upload an image. When you upload these images, you will see that when you click on image part, then all the images will be uploaded very haphazardly. Imagine that I am using the same folder and 1 2 3 3 4 5 6, and when you open it you will see that they are all scattered. They don't come in the, if I click on next, see this is the way it comes, which is not very readable. So what I'll do is I'll not post it like this, but I would like to post it as a doc. So click on plus, and then you post it as a document, and in document you will be able to post a PDF file, and that PDF file you have to download it from Canva. Yeah, so in fact I can do it right away because I would like to do it here and post it and tag Kapil as well. So I am posting it as for standard, for emailing and all those things, PDF standard, download. And now I am going to, so basically I decided to make an Instagram post, but for you guys I'm making a LinkedIn post as well. Now this comes as a PDF, and now let's see what happens. So this PDF is lessons from Lord Krishna. Okay, and now this comes here. Let it come, and maybe I can already click done. It will come when it over. Until then I can write sharing on the day of Janmashtami, sharing a super cool sketch note from our Sketchnote community from Kapil. I will just directly write that Kapil, and I definitely tag him. Kapil yeah, he is the one from Kapil Bhojani here, and maybe a little bit of I'm also writing you can join our free Sketchnote community to start learning Sketchnotes. https://visualthinkingschool.eu/wa. So people can also join our community, and now you can see this comes as a format of carousel, and this is more readable, right? So I'm posting directly right now. I hope I have done everything correct. Done. See here now. So LinkedIn post is done, and now I'll do Instagram post. I told you I have to copy all the images to my WhatsApp. I have to WhatsApp myself, or maybe you can WhatsApp it to a friend and then download it on your phone, and then you can post it on Instagram, right? So this was how you use Canva, folks. A pretty detailed video, but I hope you learned something. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.